Hi dear students, welcome to Mohan School of Maths. The last two class, we discussed the definition of sets and their representations. Also, we discussed some problems. Today, we are discussing some types of sets, different types of sets. So, let us move to class. It's me, Mohan. So, types of sets. First one is empty set. Empty sets. See on the board, here there are two sets you can see. What is set B? B is what? Set X such that X is a student presently studying in both classes 10th and what? 11th. X is what? Set of students studying what? Presently in class 10 and what? 11. 10th-ലും 11th-ലും പഠിക്കുന്ന 10th-ലും 11th-ലും പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾ presently study both class. നോക്കൂ 10ലും 11ലും പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികളുണ്ടാവും ഒരുമിച്ച് 10ലും പഠിക്കണം ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് എന്ത് വേണം 11ലും പഠിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു കുട്ടി ഒന്നുകിൽ 10ലായിരിക്കാം അല്ലെങ്കിലോ 11ലായിരിക്കാം. പക്ഷേ 10ലും 11ലും പഠിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികളുണ്ടാവുമോ? ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ സെറ്റിൽ എന്തില്ല? നോ എലമെന്റ്സ്. ദ സെറ്റ് ബി വാട്ട് കണ്ടെയ്ൻ നോ എലമെന്റ്സ്. അല്ലേ, ഒറ്റ എലമെന്റ്സ് പോലും ആ സെറ്റ് ഇല്ല. ഇവിടെ നോക്കാം, അനദർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ സി. സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ എക്സ് സച്ച് ദാറ്റ് എക്സ് ഇസ് എ ബോയ് സ്റ്റഡിങ് ഇൻ എ ഗേൾസ് സ്കൂൾ. അല്ലേ, വാട്ട് ഇസ് ഗേൾസ് സ്കൂൾ എന്നാണ് നമുക്കറിയാം, പെൺകുട്ടികൾ പഠിക്കുന്ന സ്കൂളാണ്. ഒരു പെൺകുട്ടികൾ പഠിക്കുന്ന സ്കൂളിൽ എന്തുണ്ടാവും? ബോയ്സിനെ കാണുമോ നമ്മൾ? ഇല്ല. സോ set of all x such that x is a boy studying in a girls school means that set does not contain what? Any element. So here the set B and set C contain no elements. So such sets are called what? No, empty set. So a set which does not contain any element is called what? An empty set. Okay, a set which does not contain any element is called what? An empty set. An empty set is also called a null set or what? Void set. Okay, so empty set, null set or what? Void set. How can we denote now? We use the symbol. What is this now? Phi. We read this phi or what? Like this. So using any of these, we can what? Represent an empty set. An empty set is denoted by either using this notation, this is what? Phi, or what? This. Okay. Don't use both together. We use what? Either this or this. Okay, no? Now, see, there are some sets on the board. Now, just go through. What is A? A is no set of all x such that x greater than 1, less than 2, and what? X is a natural number. എന്താണ് ഇതിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത? See, x is greater than 1, less than 2. അല്ലേ, 1നും 2നും എന്താണ്? ഇടയ്ക്കാണ്. എന്തായിരിക്കണം? x is a natural number. അപ്പോൾ 1ൻ്റെയും 2ൻ്റെയും ഇടയിൽ any natural number? Can you find any natural number? No. There is no natural number in between 1 and 2. That means this set A contain no element. അല്ലേ, 1നും 2നും ഇടയ്ക്ക് എന്തില്ല? നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഒന്നുമില്ല. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എ എന്ന സെറ്റിൽ എന്തില്ല? എലമെന്റ്സ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. സോ വാട്ട്? എ ഈസ് എൻ എംപ്റ്റി സെറ്റ്. എ ഈസ് വാട്ട്? എൻ എംപ്റ്റി സെറ്റ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് വാട്ട്? ഫൈ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻ എംപ്റ്റി സെറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് വുഡ് ബി? ബി ഈസ് നോ സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ എക്സ് സച്ച് ദാറ്റ് എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to q. What is q? It's a rational number. So x is a rational number. So what is given here? X square minus 2 is equal to 0. If we move this to this side, we'll get what? X square is equal to what? 2. X square is equal to 2. So what is x? X is equal to square root of 2. Okay. The square root of 2 means it may be either plus 2 or what? Minus 2. So square root of plus or minus square root of 2. Is this a rational number? See, square root of 2 is not a rational number. It is an irrational number. Okay. You know that root 2 is what? An irrational number. So x square minus 2 is equal to 0 and the condition x is a rational number. That means there is no rational number satisfying this condition. There is no rational number satisfying this condition. That means the set B contains no elements. So this also what? A null set. It's also an empty set. And what about third one? C is equal to set of all x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. An even prime number greater than 2. രണ്ടിനേക്കാൾ വലിയ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഈവൺ പ്രൈം നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കണം. See, 2 is the only one prime number which is even. 2 is the only one prime number which is even. അല്ലേ? ഇരട്ട സംഖ്യ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരേ ഒരു പ്രൈം എന്താണ്? അത് 2 ആണ്. രണ്ടിൽ കൂടുതലായിട്ട് എല്ലാ ഈവൺ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്താണ്? കോമ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ്. That means there is no even number what? Greater than 2. There is no even prime number greater than 2. So what? This set also not contain any set, no any element. So it is what? 5, a null set. What is here? See, D is equal to set of x such that what? X square is equal to 4 and what? X is odd. See, x square is 4 no. So what is x? X is equal to what? Square root of 4. What is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is this plus 2 or what? Minus 2. Plus or minus 2. This is an even number. It is what? Not odd. So x square minus 4 is where x is an odd means there is no odd number satisfying this condition. There is no odd number satisfying this condition. That means what? This set also what? Contain no element. So this also what? A empty set. So these are all examples of what? Empty sets. Okay. Now singleton sets. Singleton sets. See on the board, A is equal to set of all x such that x greater than 1 less than 3 and what? X is a natural number. See how many elements are there in this set? ഈ A എന്ന സെറ്റിൽ എത്ര എലമെന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും? See, x is what? Greater than 1 less than 3. 1നും 3നും ഇടയിലാണ് അല്ലേ? 1നും 3നും ഇടയിലുള്ള എന്താ വേണം? നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വേണം. So how many natural numbers are there between 1 and 3? It is very sure that there is only one natural number between 1 and 3. ഏതാണത്? 2 അല്ലേ? So this equal to എന്താണ്? Set 2. Set 2. So this set A contains what? Only one element. Only one element. And what about set B? See, x such that x is an even prime number. X is an even prime number. എന്താണ്? Prime number ആവണം, even ആവണം. We know that 2 is the only one prime number which is even. അല്ലേ? 2 is the only one prime number which is even. So this set also contains what? Only one element. That is what? 2. So both set A and B contains what? Only one element. Such sets are called what? Singleton set. So a set contain only one element is called what? A singleton set. A set contain only one element is a singleton set. See, what about this? Is this a singleton set? Yes, it is a singleton set. The set contains the element 5. Okay, 5 is what? A Greek alphabet. So this set contains what? One element. So it is what? It is a singleton set. So a singleton set means what? A set contains only one element. Next now, finite and infinite sets. Finite and infinite sets. See on the board, A is equal to set of all x such that x is an even number less than 10. And what is B? B is equal to what? Set of all x such that x is what? A natural number. എന്താണ് ഇതിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത നോക്കൂ. ഇവിടെ the set A what is equal to, it is very clear that which contains what? An even number and which is what? Less than 10. Which are the even numbers? We know 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. 2, 4, 6 and what? 8 are the even numbers less than 10. So how many elements are there in set A? Set A contains 4 elements. Set A contains 4 elements. And set B, see, x is a natural number. It's given that only a natural number. So this equal to what now? Is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is etc. is going on. There is no end. So what is the difference now? The set A contains a definite number of elements. Set A contains what? A definite number of elements. So A is what? A finite set. But here now, set B is what? An infinite set. Because it contains what? Not a definite number of elements. So what does a finite set mean now? A finite set means a set which is empty. See, empty set is also what? A finite set. Okay. A set which is empty or what? Consists of a definite number of elements. Consists of a definite number of elements is called what? A finite set. Otherwise, it is called what? Infinite set. Remember that null set or empty set is also what? A finite set. Why? Because it contains no elements. No elements means what? Zero elements. Right? An empty set contains zero elements. So an empty set is also what? A finite set. Isn't it? Next, equal sets. Equal sets. See on the board. There are two sets. Right? And then A is equal to set what? 1, 3, 4, 5. And set B is equal to what? 4, 3, 1, 5. It is very clear that, see, here A contains element 1, 3, 4, 5. B also contains 1, 3, 4, 5. Only the order is different. Elements are same. Okay. Same elements now. Here 1 is, here also 1. 3 is there, both 4 and 1, 5. Same number of elements and what? Same elements. So, two sets are said to be equal. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly what? Same elements. Two sets contain exactly same elements. Then we can say what? They are equal sets and we write what? A is equal to B. Otherwise, we write what? No, the sets are unequal. If the sets are contain what? If two sets contain different elements, then we say what? They are unequal sets and we write what? A is not equal to what? B. Okay. So, in this case, A and B are what? Equal sets. If A and B contains what? Different elements, we write what? A is what? Not equal to B. Okay. See, our next heading is cardinal number of what? A finite set. Cardinal number of a finite set. See, example, A is equal to set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And B is equal to what? No? Set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The set A, see 1, 3, 5, 7. How many elements are there? There are 5 elements in this set. There are 5 elements. Here how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 elements in the set B. So, set A contains 5 elements. And set B contains what? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. B contains 7 elements. It's called what? No? The cardinal number of a finite set. So the number of elements of a set, is called what? Its cardinal number. Okay. It is denoted by now number of. If set A contains 5 elements, we can write what now? Number of A is equal to what? 5. Number of A is equal to 5. The set B contains now 7 elements. We can write what now? Number of B is equal to what? 7. So 5 is the cardinal number here and what? 7 is the cardinal number. So cardinal number means what? The number of elements of what? A finite set. So what is number of 5? What is number of 5? എന്താണ് 5 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 5 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it is a null set. It is what? An empty set. That means 5 does not contain any element. അല്ലേ? ഒറ്റ എലമെന്റ്സ് ഇല്ലല്ലോ. So what is number of 5? It is 0. Number of 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can discuss a simple problem. See on the board. Find the pairs of equal sets. If any, give reasons. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets are given. 5 sets are given. We have to find pair of what? Equal sets, if any, undengil. ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും equal sets ഉണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഏതാണെന്ന് എഴുതാം. And also what? We have to write the reasons. നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. How can we write the sets are equal or not? Here, the set A contains what? One element, that is what? 0. It's already in roster form. Okay, already in roster form. Now we can convert now this all sets what in roster form. So first we convert what? B. A is already given what? It is what? Set 0. No problem. And what is set B? Set B is equal to, see, x such that x greater than 15 and x less than 15. Can you find any number which is greater than 15 and less than 15, less than 5? 15നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലാവണം 5നേക്കാൾ കുറവായിരിക്കും. 15നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലും 5നേക്കാൾ കുറവുമായ ഏതെങ്കിലും സംഖ്യ ഉണ്ടോ? No. There is no number satisfying these two conditions. X is greater than 15 and what? X is less than 5. That means the set B contains no elements. Set B contains no elements. Okay, it is a null set. It is a null set. We can write this way or we can write what? 5. Both are same. Now what is C? C is equal to what now? Set of x such that x minus 5 is equal to what? 0. So if x minus 5 is equal to 0, what is x? X is equal to 5, very clear. This 5 we can move this side, x is equal to what? 5. So set C contains what? Only one element, which is what? 5. Okay now? Now what is D? D is equal to set of all x such that x square is equal to 25. Now x square 25 ആണെങ്കിൽ what is x? If x square is 25, x is equal to square root of 25. Which are square 25? It is plus 5 or what? Minus 5. So D contains two elements. It is either plus 5 and what? Minus 2, 5. Two elements. And what is E? E is equal to what now? X such that x belongs to z plus. That means what? X is a positive integer. X is only a positive integer. And condition is what now? X square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to what? 0. It is a second degree equation. So first you have to what? Solve this equation. X square minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. We can factorize. I explained the previous class. How can you factorize now? So here we can write x. Here also we can write what? X. Okay. Now what is the middle term? The middle term is minus 2. That means what? Sum is taken as what? Minus 2. And what is last term? Minus 15. So product is what? Minus 15. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഗുണിച്ചാൽ എന്ത് കിട്ടണം? നമുക്ക് മൈനസ് 15 വരണം. കൂട്ടിയാൽ എന്ത് കിട്ടണം? മൈനസ് 2. ഗുണിച്ചാൽ മൈനസ് 15ഉം കൂട്ടിയാൽ മൈനസ് 2ഉം സംഖ്യ ഏതൊക്കെയാ അറിയോ? ഒന്ന് മൈനസ് 5ഉം എന്താണ്? പ്ലസ് 3ഉമാണ് അല്ലേ? എക്സ് മൈനസ് 5 മൈനസ് 5ഉം plus 3. What is minus 5 into 3? It is minus 15. And what is minus 5 plus 3? It is minus 2. So x minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to what? 0 എന്നായി മാറും. അപ്പോൾ x minus 5 into x plus 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ what is x? X is equal to either 5 or x is equal to what? This 3 will become minus 3. So these are the two values. X is equal to 5 and minus 3. But it's very clearly given that x belongs to what? Only z plus. Only what? Positive integer. That means we take only what? 5 because 3 is what? Negative here. Okay. So E contains what? Only one element, that is what? 5. Okay. So A is equal to what? Set 0 contain one element. B is contain no elements. C contains what? 5, one element. D contains what? Two elements. And E contains what? One element. So which are the equal sets here? It is very clear that set E and what? So set C and what? E contains what? Same. C contains element 5, E also contains what? 5. So what? C is equal to what? E. So set C and what? Set E are only one pair of equal sets. Okay. So let us wind up our class. So we can continue to next class. So thank you for watching my class.